This video is intended only to supplement the written installation instructions that accompanied your product, not to replace those installation instructions. The written installation instructions should be read and available to you before you attempt to install the product. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Use 12-gauge copper wire. Electrically ground oven. Failure to follow these instructions can result in death, fire, or electrical shock.
The position of each oven is important. The oven should be identified as upper and lower on the unit when unboxing. You can also identify the lower oven since it has a brand badge. The upper oven will not have a badge.
Okay, first step after unboxing is we'll remove each oven door. Open the door as far as it'll go. Flip each clip up on each side.
Warning: excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install oven. Failure to do so can result in back or other injury.
Interior walls and supports are required to screw side brackets into. These walls and supports should be the same size as the cutout dimension found in the installation instructions. The side brackets support the upper oven and support the trim installed between the upper and lower oven.
Go ahead and place our brackets. Use the lower oven to determine the spacing.
Ensure lower oven is pushed all the way in. Align bracket front flange to the back of the wall oven console to ensure aesthetic panel or trim is positioned flush to the front of the wall oven. Install right side bracket the same depth as the left side bracket.
Got 6 screws on each side.
Secure the left and right brackets to the side walls using the 12 screws. Now that the brackets are securely installed, install trim and make sure trim front face aligns to wall oven front face. If it does not, you will need to reposition brackets to correct depth before continuing. Do not tighten trim all the way.
Warning: excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install oven. Failure to do so can result in back or other injury.
Remove lower oven. Install upper oven onto side brackets and screw in. This double oven can be installed traditional or flush. See installation instructions for proper cabinet dimensions for each type of installation. The cabinet in this video has been sized for a flush installation. The installation process is the same for both types of installation. Securely fasten oven to cabinet using the 2 self-tapping screws provided. Once the upper oven is installed, adjust trim as needed. Push trim up to upper oven and tighten screws. At this point in the installation, the instructions state to wire the lower oven and upper oven to the junction box, which should be located in the back of the lower oven cavity. Refer to installation instructions for wiring.
Warning: excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install oven. Failure to do so can result in back or other injury.
Next, install lower oven. Securely fasten oven to cabinet using the 2 self-tapping screws provided. Install the oven racks. Replace both upper and lower oven doors. Again, it's just going to be a real quick shot of that anyway.